Welcome to GK at Tamosri. Which is the longest river in the world? A. Amazon, B. Nile, C. Yangtze, D. Ganga. B. Nile. Nile river length is 6,650 km. The Nile is often considered the longest river in the world. It flows through 11 countries. What is the largest desert in the world? A. Sahara, B. Gobi, C. Arabian, D. Antarctic Desert. D. Antarctic Desert is the largest desert in the world. It covers the continent of Antarctica and it is classified as a polar desert due to its extremely cold temperature and low precipitation. Which country has the most natural lakes? A. Russia, B. Canada, C. USA, D. Brazil. B. Canada holds the distinction of having most natural lakes in the world. It is estimated to have around 8,79,800 lakes. Which is the smallest country in the world by area? A. Monaco, B. Nauru, C. San Marino, D. Vatican City. D. Vatican City is the smallest country in the world by area. It is also known as Holy See. It covers only 0.44 square kilometers. The second smallest country in the world by area is Monaco. It covers the area approximately 2 square kilometers and followed by Nauru. Which mountain is the highest above sea level? A. K2, B. Mount Kilimanjaro, C. Mount Everest, D. Denali. C. Mount Everest, with a summit elevation of approximately 8,848 meters. It is located in the Mahalanga Himal subrange of Himalayas on the border between Nepal and Tibet. And also, the second highest mountain above sea level is K2. It is also known as Mount Godwin Austen. It stands at 8,611 meters. The equator passes through how many continents? A2, B3, C4, D5. B3. The equator passes through 3 continents or Asia, Africa and South America. Which ocean is the deepest in the world? A. Indian Ocean, B. Atlantic Ocean, C. Arctic Ocean, D. Pacific Ocean. D. Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean in the world. It is also both the deepest point on Earth, the Mariana Trench, and contains the Challenger Deep. The average depth of the Pacific Ocean is around 4,200 meters. Which country is the both in Europe and Asia? A. Kazakhstan, B. Turkey, C. Russia, D. All of the above. D. All of the above. Several countries have territory in both Europe and Asia, making them transcontinental. What is the capital of New Zealand? A. Auckland, B. Christchurch, C. Wellington, D. Hamilton. C. Wellington is the capital city of New Zealand. It is located at the southern western tip of North Islands between Cook Strait and the Remotaka Range. The Great Barrier Reef is located in which sea? A. Coral Sea, B. Tasman Sea, C. Arafura Sea, D. Timor Sea. A. Coral Sea. The Great Barrier Reef is located in the Coral Sea of the northeastern coast of Australia. It's a vast complex of coral reefs, shoals and islands in the Pacific Ocean. Answer for last video was Ganga. The longest river in India is Ganges River, is also known as Ganga. It stretches for approximately 2,525 kilometers from its source in the Himalayas to the Bay of Bengal. The video is available on iQuod. How many oceans are there in the world? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you and stay connected for more videos.